Welcome to this quick start for Genero Intelligence. In this video, we will use the Genero Studio AI Assistant to create a simple Hello World application using Spec-Driven Development. Before getting started, make sure you have the following: Genero Studio version 6.00.04, an API key for your chosen LLM provider, and a Genero Intelligence account. There are three things that need to be set up in your Genero Studio. First, open the Genero configuration management window and make sure the OpenCode environment is selected and enabled. Second, go to Tools, then AI Tools, then Register LLM Provider. A terminal view opens. Select your LLM and enter the associated API key. Third, go back to Tools again, then AI Tools, then authenticate Genero Intelligence. A terminal view and the Genero Intelligence website open. Follow the steps to authenticate. If you have authenticated before, the website will not open. Genero Intelligence will re-authenticate automatically. Once these three steps are done, you are ready to use the AI Assistant. Let's start by creating a new project. Select any project, give it a name, and choose a location. Click OK to confirm. Your new empty project is now open in Studio. Open the AI Assistant view and click Start Session. Make sure the LLM is selected at the bottom of the panel. In the chat input, type your prompt. For this demo, we will use Create a simple Hello World application. Press Enter to submit. The Genero Studio SDD agent picks up your request and begins working. When prompted, click Allow to let the agent proceed. The assistant begins phase 1 and generates a specification file called spec.md. When it is ready, it asks you to review and confirm before continuing. Open the spec.md file inside Studio or in your favorite editor to review it. Once you are happy with the specification, go back to the assistant and type Yes to proceed. The assistant moves to phase 2 and generates a plan. This includes a plan.md file and a task.md file. Review these files just like we did for spec.md file. The plan.md gives us the overall approach the agent will take to build the application. And the task.md breaks that down into the individual steps it will carry out to get there. Once the files are reviewed closely, type Yes to continue. The assistant now generates the source files for your application. You will see it working through each step automatically. If the build fails at any point, the assistant will let you know and ask if you wanted to try to fix the issue. You can monitor progress in the assistant panel. A blue indicator means it is working. Green means that step is complete. In the final phase, the assistant generates user documentation based on the specification and source files. Your Hello World application has been created. You can review the generated files directly inside Genero Studio. But instead, if you want to see it in action, ask the assistant to compile and run the application for you. The assistant came back with three options. Option A, start the Genero desktop client first and then run. Option B, open the project in Genero Studio and press Run, and Studio will manage the GDC connection automatically. Option C, run in a terminal with no GDC needed. Let's go with option A. We open the Genero desktop client, then ask the assistant to run the application. And there it is, Hello World, displayed in the Genero desktop client. And that's how you use the Genero Studio AI Assistant with Genero Intelligence to build an application using spec-driven development. At each phase, you stay in control. The AI generates the work, but you review and confirm before moving forward. Thank you for watching this video.